ताल के म्यूजिक में जो एक बात मैं आपको बताना चाहता हूँ आज के दिन में, वो स्टोरी भी जो है वो 7 रूप लेती है। 7 किस्म की ताल है उसमें।
So one day I saw a fax coming in and it said, I'm Subhash Ka, I want to meet you.
So I said, look, this doesn't look like aag lage. No, I want to do some jumps. I want to do something alag.
I think a couple of years back I saw the movie because we were thinking of a sequel.
Actually, when I write a scene, I think of him and I imitate him while writing.
एक सीन जो तो क्लाइमैक्स का था, मैंने बोला ये मैं नहीं आऊँगा सेट पे। पर एक बार मैंने लगा कि सीन चेंज करके कहीं अक्षय खन्ना को नहीं देते।
माना अनजान है तू मेरे वास्ते, माना अनजान हूँ मैं तेरे वास्ते।
Okay, guys, this is it. Shall we do this? Shall we ask them all the questions we wanted to? Okay, let's do this. I want some noise, energy, lots of love, good vibes. Come on. सुभाष जी, ये दीवानगी 25 साल बाद कैसे कर लेते हैं आप? आपने उस दौर में इन सारे कमाल के कलाकारों को एक साथ पिरोकर ये हमें पिक्चर दी, ये साउंड ट्रैक दिया, इतने अवार्ड जीते, आज तक ताल से ताल मिला बजता है रेडियो नशा पर। आप मुझे बताइए, उस वक्त जब आप ये कर रहे थे, आपको एहसास था कि ऐसे होगा? 25 साल बाद रोहिणी आपसे ये सवाल पूछेगी, ऐसे लगा था आपको?
ताल खुद में एक नशा है।
क्या बात, बिल्कुल।
और नशे में एक ताल है। किसी भी चीज का जब जन्म होता है और उस जन्म में जब आत्मा शुद्ध आती है और एक डिवाइनिटी आती है, सच्चाई आती है, तो उसकी उम्र हमेशा लंबी होती है। और ये बात मुझे उस दिन समझ आ गई थी जब मैंने पहली बार रहमान से मिला मैं और कुछ बातें की और रहमान ने पहला नोट सुनाया अपने पियानो पे। Our first song was करिए ना, राइट? और बख्शी जी को मैंने उनको मिलाया, तो आनंद बख्शी को जो मिलाया, तो उन्हें अंग्रेजी नहीं आती और इनको हिंदी नहीं आती थी, और बीच में हारमोनियम मैंने आगे कर दिया, शायद कुछ बजाएं, तो उन्होंने कहा आप बजाइए, उन्होंने कहा जी आप बजाइए। 15 मिनट की खामोशी के बाद मैं समझ गया ये कम्युनिकेशन लेवल बहुत गड़बड़ है, तो यहाँ से चलते हैं। लेकिन जब गीत करिए ना लिखा, एंड आई थिंक ही हैज कंपोज्ड, यू हैव कंपोज्ड द ट्यून फर्स्ट एंड इन साउदर्न तमिल लैंग्वेज, आई थिंक यू डिड दैट। एंड बख्शी जी को मैंने सुनाया कि ये टेप है, और फिर ये गाना जब इन्होंने शुरू किया। ताल के म्यूजिक में जो एक बात मैं आपको बताना चाहता हूँ आज के दिन में, वी हैड डिस्कस विद रहमान, टाइटल इज ताल, और स्टोरी भी जो है वो 7 रूप लेती है। 7 किस्म की ताल है उसमें, 7 किस्म की शेड्स हैं फिल्म में, 7 चैप्टर्स हैं, 7 ऐश्वर्या राय की वेशभूषाएं हैं, और हर एक कैरेक्टर में नए नए डायनेमिक्स हैं। विक्रांत की अपनी ग्रोथ है, मानव की अलग है, मानसी की अलग है। तो जब मैंने रहमान साहब को पूरी कहानी सुनाई, वो मैंने कहा कि इसमें जो ताल है, जो रिदम है, वो एक बहुत गांव की डुग्गी से शुरू होती, डुग 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 टुक 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 डुम टुक डुम, और फिर ये ताल ढोलक पकड़ती है, फिर ढोलक से तबला पकड़ती है, तबला से फिर ये जोपले रूप में आती है, एक्टोपैड में आती है, फिर ड्रम में आती है, फिर टिम्पनीज में आती है। अगर आप पिक्चर की पूरी प्रोग्रेशन देखें सब गानों में, तो रहमान साहब ने पहले गाने से 7वें गाने तक 7 में अलग अलग रिदम का एक चोला बनाया उसको। और अगर आप देखें उस कैरेक्टर्स को, मानसी के, तो उस कैरेक्टर में भी ऐसा था कि डिवाइन लड़की है पहाड़ों की, प्यार हो जाता है तो उसका चेहरा बदल जाता है, लड़का चला जाता है तो चेहरा बदलता है, शहर आती है तो चेहरा बदलता है, कॉस्ट्यूम बदलती। फिर विक्रांत जी मिलते हैं तो एक नर्वस सी आती है, जैसे आज भी मैं नर्वस हूँ इनके सामने। तो ये भी कुछ कहेंगे, आप बोलती नहीं, मुझे कहना पड़ता मैं क्या बोलूँ। तो उनके कैरेक्टर में इन एंड तक जो हम लोगों ने डॉम में गाना पिक्चराइज किया, शामक ने, तो इफ यू सी द ग्रोथ ऑफ द कैरेक्टर, वेयर फ्रॉम अ डिवाइन गर्ल गोस इनटू द international show. So this was decided between him and me as two creative partners. I told him this tal belongs to you. I will just design the film visually. Give a big hand to him.
Thank you so much, Subhash ji, for that wonderful introduction. Rahman Saab, I have to ask you this. You know, there was something in Tal that broke new ground. I've heard legends कि सिनेमा घरों में डॉल्बी सिस्टम इंस्टॉल किया गया ताकि ताल का म्यूजिक जो हो वो ठीक ठाक सुनाई दे. It has nothing to do with the makers. The cinema houses themselves said, if it's such a great soundtrack, let's change our sound. How does that happen, guys? Isn't that amazing? And then, of course, if you go locally, हमारी जो दुकान में जब हम जाकर सीडियां खरीदते थे, सीडी प्लेयर याद है किसी को? सीडी प्लेयर खरीदने वाले इंसान को जब आप बोलते सीडी प्लेयर टेस्ट करना है, तो वो कौन सा सीडी चलाते?
Tal.
You know why? Because you could hear the beats. So you were creating a stir at that point. Did you intend to do something different? Because Bollywood never sounded like this.
That's very kind of you. Hello, everyone. So my journey as a started like a rebel. When everybody was doing 30 movies, I wanted to do 2 every year. And the reason being is I'm not telling this usually. It's like we listen to music from abroad, from America, Europe, and England. I said, why can't they listen to our music? And then when I went into researching and said, oh, the recording quality, the production quality, the harmonies, the vibe, all this stuff actually were a blocking kind of a thing, because the music was made for films. It was beautiful. It was not meant to travel. So I said, what if we break all these barriers? We create something for the soundtrack, for the release, and for the movie separately. Wow. And it took me time, Usually movies back in South, in 3 days they will finish a background score. In 2 days, 7 to 1, 2 to 9, they'll finish a song. So I said, is there any rule like that? The quality matters, and for that we need to put in money, when people can. So that started with Mr. Mani Ratnam ji. I told him that I want to do this. He said, yeah, of course you do. And he didn't care whether I did 12 movies or 30 movies. He said, do my movie. So when he came in, the one name I kept hearing is, you should do a Subhash Ghai movie. You should do a Subhash. Everyone whom I met, this kept coming. And I had a bachelor room next to the prayer room, and I had a fax machine. That's it. I used to do jingles, right? Yes. So one day I saw a fax coming in, and it said, I'm Subhash Ghai, I want to meet you. So this came in, and we met. He was amazing. Welcome to his flat, and he said we had to work together. I love this, I love that, and all this stuff. And then we worked on a movie called Shikhar, which didn't take off. Ishq Bina is actually from that movie. Then he went on to make Pardes, and we met in Tal. Yeah. So Tal was, by then we had got used to each other, or both our tantrums. He is such a big man. And so he would travel back to Chennai, I would travel here. So, but the idea, I knew that something was missing. I had big hits like Roja, Bombay, Rangila, Dil Se. But he took me to every house in North India. Yes. His association and yeah. Before that, I was an exotic person. I became a household name because of him. Thank you.
We were all doing the chick book Raile and the Urvasi. And I remember Super Hit Muqabla. Anybody Super Hit Muqabla fans? You remember they used to play the Tamil version, and it happened because of Rahman sir? Yeah. As a Tamilian, that made me very proud. But as a Mumbaikar, Tal made me feel at home. So I remember watching it in the cinemas. How many of us actually watched it 25 years ago? Hands up. क्या बात है, दोबारा देखने क्यों आए हो फिर? We'll come back to that. Thank you so much, sir, for sharing that. I do want to take this to AK, and I want to come back to the both of you. Hi.
Hi.
You know. Vikrant Kapoor, yaar. You still look the same. Let's start with that. What do you do? We're going to watch the film. I watched it last night when we were testing.
I just keep on listening to Subhash Ji's and Rahman's music. That keeps me young.
क्या बात है? Okay, but I have to tell you this. You brought something with Vikrant that we'd never seen, okay? And you decided to play this character who was decidedly not white, not black. You're not so sure if you like him. You're not so sure कि वो आपकी काटेगा. Everything is fine. But we walked out in love with Vikrant Kapoor. How did you strike that balance, AK? Please, let's start with that.
I don't know. I feel I'm sitting somewhere in France or Europe. Yeah. You're asking me such deep questions. When you do a Subhash Ghai film, you don't think so much. You don't think so much. You just come on the set and he tells you what to do. Okay? So I just came on the set and I just do it. Yeah. So that's it. So with whatever films I've done with him, it's I've just followed him. I've mimicked him. I've imitated him. I followed him. There is a certain kind of connect which we have, and it just happens.
Yeah, let's talk about the
there's
fact that there was
no
luck
deep
and-
thinking and thought process or research or nothing like that.
Thank you. Thank you for telling us that there was no thinking, only doing. Maybe all of us should do that as well. Overthinkers की generation है,
No,
Gen
because
Zs
I
represent.
seriously, I'm telling you. Honestly, I'm telling you. It's a fact. It's a fact.
You just played yourself.
No, I, in a way, yes, of course. Always there will be something about me in a character which I do, which is you can't take away from there. But there is, I'm basically a filmmaker's, I'm a director's actor.
You see, if you see Anil Kapoor whole filmography, he has played the maximum variety of roles. And when he says that he imitates me, actually when I write a scene, I think of him and I imitate him while writing. So when I imitate him in writing, कि ये क्या कर सकता है और कैसे करेगा, क्योंकि सेट पे हमारे पास टाइम नहीं होता है. We don't have time. So to brief him perfectly, which suits him, he has played Meri Jung also. Very dramatic film, if you have seen. He has played black and white film. He's played Ram Lakhan. So I know his range. He has a wonderful range, this actor. And second thing is that my relationship with him, like brothers. And we know each other so well कि हम एक दूसरे की आंख भी देखते हैं तो पहचान लेते हैं कि आज क्या कह रहे हैं हम लोग एक दूसरे से. हम हेलो भी करते हैं तो पता लग जाता है कि मूड कैसा है.
आय हाय, क्या बात.
तो जब मोहब्बत होती है आर्टिस्ट में, डायरेक्टर्स में, टेक्नीशियंस में, तो ये सब चीज़ें निकलती हैं. आई थिंक मोस्ट इम्पॉर्टेंट थिंग इज द म्यूचुअल रिस्पेक्ट एंड लव फॉर ईच अदर
Yes.
is extremely important to create something good like this, whether it's Vikrant or Tal or
Mansi.
music of Tal or
Manav,
Mansi.
yeah. Manav, yeah.
That happens. He's one of the most talented actors we have.
That's true.
You see?
I agree. Subhash ji, there's a legend. I want to ask you कितना सच है, क्योंकि आपकी देन है. So I'm going to ask the two of you how true this is. That ये म्यूजिक बना, ये बड़ी इंटरनेशनल साउंडिंग लुकिंग. भाई ऐश्वर्या राय भी तो थी यार. Give it up for our Mansi. She was Miss World, yeah. Okay. We were like, wow, we'd never seen her that way. And here, there was a CD apparently that reached a certain person called Mr. Danny Boyle. उन्होंने ये गाने सुने और कहा कि मैं आपके साथ काम करना चाहता हूँ. और फिर उन्होंने ये फिल्म देखी और फिर उन्होंने कहा मैं इनके साथ भी काम करना चाहता हूँ. सुभाष जी, क्या क्या करवा दिया आपने, देखिए ना. सो प्लीज हमें बताइए कि क्या आपको पता है.
रिश्ते पे रिश्ते पे रिश्ते पे रिश्ते पे रिश्ते बदलते जाते हैं, बनते जाते हैं.
क्या बात है, क्या बात है. सो इज Can we ratify that? Is that actually true?
Well, that's what Danny told me. I said he heard the music of Tal and he just loved it, and he happened to see me in the film also. So somewhere I was there in his mind, but obviously he wanted, as usual, someone else. उन्होंने ना किया तो मेरे पास आ गए फिर.
Oh my God, Raman sir, do you think that this soundtrack did what it did for you? It did so much for the rest of us. But it's very hard to say with song and all that. I'll leave to the audience to ask you that question. But you brought together a plethora of voices. You got Asha ji for us. Thank you so much for that. You got Udit ji, you got Sukhi ji, you got Richa Sharma, you got Kavita ji. Can you go back to that and say, was that something you really wanted to do? Have so many voices?
I think it's mutually, in fact, in Ishkabina, if you take same character, there are two girls singing.
Yes.
Sujata, and there is Anuradha Sriram.
Yes.
And I think we like the feel of both of them.
Yes.
But we wanted to. I usually try a lot of voices because I don't have any agenda. And of course, I respect the legendary voices like Lata ji and Asha ji. So my suggestion, I think, Asha ji for this,
Oh, lovely.
right?
Yeah.
Thank you.
Because that song is immortal
Then-
now.
What Tal did for me, like Tal's CD was played to Andrew Lloyd Webber by Shekhar Kapoor, and that actually brought him to the theaters to watch Tal movie, I think, which people, and that's one of the CDs which made him call me to write the musical Bombay Dreams.
Bombay Dreams.
Yeah.
Yes, of course. Thank you. Thank you so much for that. I'm coming back to you, AK. I'm not going to forget that goatee. Let me tell you that we'd never seen a man look so good on screen with that goatee. Talk to us about that. And also, the Ramta Jogi costume is outside. Did anyone take photos with the Ramta Jogi? It's the original
just
costume.
Make it short and quick because usually my wife used to do it, but then she got fed up styling me because she couldn't handle the show business in Mumbai. So that was the last film she did, and she designed those two shirts which I want, the yellow one and the mustard one and the white one. And coming to the goatee, of course, I was somewhere inspired by Will Smith. I think he constantly has a goatee. So I think usually only the goatees are looked down upon in Hindi films. Leading men usually don't have goatees, okay? Because they feel it's not that classy to have a goatee. And so I decided that because he does it very subtly, even so I was inspired by him. And then I remember once Amar Singh ji was there, and he says, "Ke Amit ji was the one who goatee." I said, "नहीं, उससे पहले मैंने किया था."
That is true,
That was
actually.
Aks came, but Tal came.
But Aks came a year later, if I'm not mistaken, in
So
2000.
I hope.
I hope so too.
Yeah.
Divi Sulgama,
I'm
where
not
are
sure
you?
about it, but I said it was just a joke. So, but
Correct.
coming to that point, obviously, I won't take the full credit for that. But somewhere where the looks are concerned of films, I'm being quite fortunate, and I really take a lot of interest in it. From the film I've done, Wo Saat Din, to Mashal, to Mr. India, to Lakhan, all those films. I said, at least, बाकी सब आप लोग करो, ये मेरे पे छोड़ दो.
क्या बात है बिल्कुल बिल्कुल.
So the shirt which I'm wearing in Ram Lakhan is my personal shirt. The coat which I'm wearing in Wo Saat Din, Mr. India, is from Chor Bazaar. Top which I'm wearing in Mashal is I just picked up from someone who's going. I saw this. I felt it's used and it's going to look real. So I do these kind of things. So I just I have to feel. I have to believe in it, and I feel comfortable. In my skin. So that's one of the reasons. So I really I'm very proud to say that when I really worked, obviously with help with the filmmaker, because I don't go that's his vision. Then I discuss with them. I said, this is what I want to do. This is what I want to say. I said, done. And of course, the cap and a hat has always come from Subhashi. All the caps,
Yeah.
the hats, yeah. That
Of
is
course.
Yeah.
1 second, you remember that moment? आप लोग आज ये film देखने वाले हैं, and I think what defines Tal for me is that good writing. At the end, you'll see today, okay, second half, guys, second half for me, everything, okay, because Anil Kapoor is in the second half. Towards the end, you think Vikrant is turning, a new leaf. You think he's giving Mansi away. But just before he gives Mansi away, what does he do? Does anybody remember? कंगन निकालता है वो मानसी के हाथों से. And I thought that little thing just kept Vikrant intact for me. And I think that this is the small things, guys, that make characters memorable. These are the small things. I have so much to talk about, but I, of course, want to quickly acknowledge the sweep of awards. 12 nominations at the Filmfare. किसे मिलता है भाई? इन्हें मिलता है. 2000 winner Filmfare Award for Best Supporting Actor, Mr. Anil Kapoor. Can we do that again? 2000 winner Filmfare for Best Music Director, A.R. Rahman. 2000 winner Filmfare Best Lyricist Award, Bakshi Sahab for Ishq Bina. 2000 winner Filmfare Award for Best Playback Singer Female, Alka Ji for Taal Se Taal Mila. Miss her today. Okay, she's okay, but she didn't want to, come here and exert herself. But we love her. Kavita Ji as well wanted to be here, just couldn't be here last minute. So I miss each and everyone who couldn't be here today. 2000 winner Filmfare Award Best Cinematography. Kabir Lal Sahab aaye hain kya hamare saath? Kabir Ji, if you're in the house, because he confirmed to me that he'll be coming. 2000 winner Filmfare Award for Best Sound Recording, Rakesh Ranjan. Taliyan ho jaye. And the maker. How does one make a film जहाँ पर सबको award मिलता है? बताइए.
My biggest award is 25 years of Taal. See, ये जो awards हैं हमारे, वो they encourage us, inspiring. But if you look at the award, detail award, what kind of films, other films are in that year? What kind of jury is constructed there? वो jury के लोग कैसे हैं, उनका क्या टेस्ट है, और बाकी कंपटीशन जो आपने फिल्में नहीं बनाई हैं वो उन्होंने बनाई हैं, आपने तो अपनी फिल्म बनाई है. So I never took awards very seriously in my life. What was serious thing for me was to go in detail of making a film and to do your best what you can do. Rest leave on the God. That's it.
Wonderful. There's a lucky girl in the audience today. Her name is Kanisha Malhotra. Are you here, Kanisha? Kanisha, hi. Kanisha, can you come up here? Come quickly. Padun ye, dhawat ye. Ikde ye. Give her a mic, please. Kanisha is very lucky because she's, of course, the winner who gets a chance to ask a question to Mr. A.R. Rahman. Wow. यहाँ खड़े रह के आप सवाल पूछेंगे.
Good evening, everybody. Congratulations on 25 years. I wanted to ask you, sir, that which is your most favorite composition from the film? I've heard it's Nahi Samne. Is it true?
It's hard actually.
आपने तो खुद ही बता दिया.
Actually, now when I've not seen the movie after I did it. I think a couple of years back I saw the movie because we were thinking of a sequel.
Oh,
Wow.
Thinking, no, nothing confirmed. Just brainstorming. Every time I meet him, I'm like, what about this idea? What about that idea? He'll say, what about this idea? My favorite, actually, now when I think about it, is the Kavita Ji song, Ishq Bina,
Ishq
and the end, because we recorded almost some 15-16 minutes of that song and then edited that. And because it was, I was trying to get her in a zone where she's never done that before. The vocal improvisations, and so usually I don't cut when people sing. I keep going on. I have a mic and I keep prompting them, and then the orchestration all came in, and yeah, I think that was the experience. That now I remember really was very
I
experiencing.
really second it because I was there in that recording, Rahman, if you remember. Rahman normally records from 9 p.m. to 6 a.m. So we spent 70 nights to compose the music of Taal together.
wow.
And I remember Kavita ji ko jab bulaya. So I was wondering what he's doing because she was supposed to sing one antara small in Mukla. So we thought it will be completed within 45 minutes, 1 hour. There I realized one thing about his technique and his way of working. He kept on recording, Kavita ji, you carry on once more. And now you carry on singing till you are fed up. और इन्होंने रिकॉर्डिंग ऑन कर दिया, अपना रिकॉर्ड ऑन कर दिया, माइक ऑन कर दिया, एंड वो लूप चला दिया रिदम का, एंड शी वॉज सिंगिंग फॉर 45 मिनट्स, 1 hour, 1.5 hour.
Sometimes it happens because we have the original version, Ishq Bina, and this version is supposed to be emotional. And my idea is like it's composition happens live. You know, we have a composition and then I have this a mic and there's a keyboard. So I mislead them with different chords. Mislead them in the sense like change the because it's otherwise being very boring, right? So sometimes accidentally we find a very beautiful spot where I go to another scale or something like that. And sometimes magic happens, nothing happens.
How lovely. Thank you so much. Thank you, Kanisha.
Thank you so much.
Congratulations.
Thank you
and
so
please
much.
thank the guy at Toyo because
Thank
they
you
made
so
this
much,
happen.
Toyo.
Thank you so much.
I love your styling, sir. You look great.
Thank you.
मुझे मैं मुड़ के देखी, मुझे लगा मेरी बात कर,
Rahman,
मुझे
sir,
भी बोल
thank
देती.
you. You look lovely.
Thank you so
Everyone
much.
looks lovely.
सुभाष जी बस एक फिल्म बना ले, हीरोइन ले ले, हो जाएगा. I channel my best Mansi today. I have to acknowledge the wonderful people sitting here, the enablers, the makers, the creators, and I want mics to magically appear to them. I'm going to start off with Shamak. Shamak sir.
Shamak.
I was a Shamak Davar student. I've done summer funk after summer funk after summer funk. Tarana was my instructor.
Oh my God.
And that was the time. You know, just before this, you gave us Dil To Pagal Hai.
Yes.
And then after that, you upped your game with Tal. Did you feel that pressure when you were choreographing for Tal? Oh,
No, he's my love. He's my Subi. He's my
yeah, you call him Subi. That's
He's
so
my
sweet.
Subi. And he only is love. And I say, Subi, for this song, Kahin Aag Lage, I can't do Aag Lage and all that. I want to do something alag. Yeah, so I said, let me just do some jumping because the rhythm is so phenomenal. I can't, the music is telling me what to do, the saxophones, the violins, the percussion. So I said, look, this doesn't look like Aag Lage. No, I want to do some jumps. I want to do something alag, Gagan. I want to change the whole thing. He just says, do it. See, that's why I love him because, you know, he makes me grow. He makes me want to give my best to him. And when you have maestros like this in the movie and you have people around you, you have to go higher. And the pressure, I never have pressure. I don't have writer's block or dancer's block. I just do what I have to do. And the music is telling me I have someone up there helping me. And I also want to say today is a very important day to tell you that I love you so much. And really, he has given me a lot of respect and love in this industry. And I have to thank also Saroj Khan, who I think we've forgotten today. We should say, because she is the finest legendary choreographer. And I was so blessed to be in the same movie as her. So, yeah. So, Sarojji, if you're listening, I know you are. So, because you won't leave us, I know that also. She's a fire element. So, Sarojji, I love you. Thank you for making the film industry so full of your choreography. And we're very blessed for that. So, that's what I wanted to say. And I love you.
Thank you
Yes.
so much. Alongside you, Shamak, of course, let's also acknowledge the wonderful Ahmed Khan. who
Oh,
also
where's that? Oh, yeah,
choreographed.
Ahmad. I
Yeah.
forgot about Ahmad.
Yeah, Ahmed
Just-
and Farah
And
stepped in for
Farah,
a
my
song.
darling. Yeah, sorry. Farah, I love you. Emma, I love you. Forgive me. But I thought of Sarojji because she's not here. So I just thought, you know, I want to say thank you to her.
Thank you so much, Shamak. Thank you so much for joining us
Thank
on
you.
stage. ये माइक सीधे जाना चाहिए उदित जी को. उदित जी, मैं कोई सवाल नहीं पूछूंगी. ये जो ऑडियंस है ना, तरस रही है आपके मुंह से सुनने के लिए.
आइए ना.
जब उदित जी आते हैं यार नशा प्रेमिया नाइट पर, कुछ और ही हो जाता है.
सर आपका सीट मैं ले नहीं सकता.
आइए उदित जी, प्लीज.
आप सबको नमस्कार. गुड इवनिंग. सर मैं यहाँ हूँ ना. सर नो आई एम हियर. डोंट वरी सर.
क्या बात
आई एम
है.
ओके सर फाइन सर ऑस्कर अवार्ड विनर हाउ कैन आई सिट. सबसे पहले तो 25 साल पूरे हुए हैं फिल्म ताल का. कंग्रेचुलेशंस मुक्ता आर्ट्स को, शोमैन डायरेक्टर सुभाष जी को, ऑस्कर अवार्ड विनर ए आर रहमान सर को और पूरे टीम को, हमारे टिप्स म्यूजिक को, राइटर वन एंड ओनली आनंद बख्शी जी को, अनिल साहब सुपरस्टार हैं, इतने सालों से आप सुपरस्टार की कुर्सी पे बैठे हैं, तो मैं आपके कुर्सी पे बैठ नहीं सकता। और एक ही बात कहूँगा कि मैं समटाइम्स आई फील कि आई एम ए लकी पर्सन, आई गॉट द अपॉर्चुनिटी टू वर्क विथ शोमैन डायरेक्टर अनिल साहब एंड रहमान सर और बख्शी जी ऑफ कोर्स। ताल है तो जिंदगी है, ताल के बिना कुछ भी नहीं है। ताल मीन्स रिदम, हम आपको क्या समझाएंगे। रिदम जब तक चलती है तो जिंदगी चलता है, जिस दिन ताल रुक जाती है आदमी भी वहीं रुक जाता है। तो ताल का महत्व बहुत है हमारे जिंदगी के लिए। ताल से ताल मिला। थैंक यू सो मच सर। श्याम दावर जी के लिए जोरदार ताली हो जाए। एंड बस कयामत से कयामत तक से गा रहा हूँ, आप लोग दुआ करिए कि कयामत से कयामत तक चलता रहूं।
अरे बिल्कुल बिल्कुल,
थैंक यू सो मच, लव यू ऑल।
बिल्कुल बिल्कुल बिल्कुल।
ब्यूटीफुल ब्यूटीफुल।
सौरभ शुक्ला साहब को माइक दिया जाए और वो स्टेज पर आए हमारे साथ मजे करने के लिए। प्लीज, वन ऑफ माय फेवरेट एक्टर्स सिंस फॉरएवर।
सौरभ शुक्ला।
The two of you look like you're always up to some masti. Is that true?
हाँ, हम लोग मेले में बिछड़ गए थे। एक्चुअली हम लोग जुड़वा भाई हैं, है ना। थोड़ा थोड़ा फर्क आ गया है, और कुछ नहीं।
हाँ जी।
अच्छा, मैं ज़्यादा नहीं कह सकता। मैं अपने करियर की बहुत शुरुआत में मुझे ये फिल्म मिली थी। आई वॉज अ लिटिल चाइल्ड एंड आई एम स्टिल अ चाइल्ड। सो आई वॉज अ चाइल्ड इन अ कैंडी स्टोर, you know, the favorite candy store, jahan there was great music, great actors. Subhashi was there. मैं हर बार ये बात सबको बताता हूँ। बॉम्बे जब भी कोई भी नया एक्टर आता है तो उसको हमेशा एक डर लगता है, उसको लगता है कि बड़े लोग जो हैं मिलेंगे नहीं और बात नहीं करेंगे, और करेंगे भी तो वो थोड़ा दूर दूर रख के बात करेंगे। आई स्टिल रिमेंबर Subhashi called me for this film. And of course, my role was not in the lead section, but it was a role. So मुझे लगा कि यार ठीक है, मुझे एक छोटा सा रोल है। सुभाष जी ने कहा कि आओ ज़रा मेरे फ्लैट पे आओ, तुमसे कुछ बात करनी है। तो मुझे लगा कि कुछ बताएंगे कि भाई ऐसे ऐसे तैयारी ठीक से करना, जो भी है। The meeting went on for 4 hours because he narrated me word by word the whole script. And it was so touching because I felt that a person like me is hearing a script जब भाई डायरेक्टर्स का ऐसा होता है, बड़े डायरेक्टर्स का हमेशा हम लोग सुनते हैं, वो प्रोड्यूसर्स को भी अपनी स्क्रिप्ट नहीं सुनाते हैं. तो मुझे लगा, मुझे बहुत इम्पोर्टेंस मिली, एंड आई फेल्ट सो मच एट होम. एंड सुभाष जी जस्ट सेड दैट डे, ही सेड एंड ही मेंट इट, दैट सौरभ योर फैमिली. एंड I was home. I was so happy. I was so lucky. मैंने रहमान साहब से मेरी मुलाकात कभी हुई नहीं, हालांकि नहीं, कभी हम लोग वैसे नहीं मिले, लेकिन रहमान साहब की ताल में मैंने काम किया था, और उसके बाद स्लम डॉग में इनकी फिल्म में काम किया था. It was Danny Boyle's film, yeah, but I was again an actor in that film, and रहमान साहब ने वो किया, and I met the most lovable person, Anil Kapoor Sahab, and thank you, Subhash ji. You gave me this film. Thank you.
Wow, thank you. Saurabh ji, I want to clarify this. Have you met Rahman Sahab before right now?
Yeah, I met him
Okay.
outside.
Outside, you met him.
Yes.
I just wanted to.
Yeah, I mean,
was that the
of
first
course
time?
I've seen him, but I never met him
I
like
can't believe
that.
this. I am so happy to have
Yeah.
made this happen.
Yeah. Yeah, I know. After 25 years,
I love you
finally
too.
I'm meeting you, Rahman Sahab. Thank
Oh
you.
my God, thank you, Saurabh ji. Absolutely love you. Barnali, thank you so much for joining us today as well. Ramesh ji, mic aap tak aayega. We'll pass on a mic to Ramesh ji on this side. Thank you. Ramesh ji, मुझे सच सच बताइए, जब आपने पहली बार ये म्यूजिक सुना, yes, the mic is coming. रमेश जी आप भी आ जाइए. आप कहाँ, यहाँ बैठ जाइए रमेश जी, मैं वहां जाती हूँ.
ठीक है ठीक है.
अब मेरी बारी है मेरे एक के साथ बैठने की, है ना?
हाँ, अच्छा.
Who gets a chance?
चलो कोई तो बैठा.
Hi Ramesh ji, thank you so much for joining us.
Thank you.
Ramesh ji, when you heard the music, you hear literally CDs and albums every day. जब ताल आपके पास आई, कुछ लगा आपको कि 25 साल बाद भी ऐसे इम्पैक्ट होने वाला है इस म्यूजिक का?
हाँ, मैं एक चीज़ ज़रूर कहूँगा सुभाष जी के लिए. पहले तो सुभाष जी की हम लोग जब पिक्चर लेते हैं, मतलब जैसे खलनायक ली थी, तो जो प्राइस में ली थी, तो उन्होंने परदेश हमको उसका डबल प्राइस में दिया. जब परदेश लिया, जब ताल लिया, तो ताल परदेश के डबल प्राइस में दिया. तो हम लोग हमेशा जब वरीड होते थे कि पता नहीं म्यूज़िक तो अच्छा ही आएगा, सुभाष जी है तो अच्छा म्यूज़िक करेंगे. तो इनका एक आदत है, गाने घर पे बुला के मुझे सुनाते थे. तो इन्होंने मुझे सुनाया, ऐसे ही सेम थिंग हैपेंड विद खलनायक, परदेश एंड देन ताल. तो इन्होंने पहला गाना सुना, इश्क बिना क्या जीना यारो. मैं कहा वेरी गुड, अच्छा है, वेरी गुड, निकल गए. दूसरा गाना सुनाया, ताल से ताल मिला, लव्ड इट, इमीडिएटली लव्ड इट. देन तीसरा गाना सुनाया, नहीं सामने ये अलग बात है. मतलब ये भी बहुत अच्छा है, वेरी गुड. फिर वो सुनाया, करिए ना किसी से वादा करिए ना. तो भी मैं सोचूं यार, रहमान साहब का म्यूज़िक है, बॉम्बे में हम्मा था, रंगीला के इतने सॉलिड गाने, इसमें कोई डांस नंबर क्यों नहीं है. तो इन्होंने फिर मुझे रमता जोगी सुनाया. तो देन आई सेड वाह वाह, वेरी गुड, और मज़ा आ गया. देन इन्होंने फाइनली आग लगे कहीं आग लगे लग जावे, ऐसे ब्रिलियंट ब्रिलियंट, मतलब माइंड ब्लोइंग एल्बम. एंड उसका जो साउंड था, और जब रहमान साहब ने मिक्सिंग करके दिया, यू वोंट बिलीव, ताल के 7 गाने हमारे पास कम से कम 25 डेट्स पे आए होंगे. कभी सुभाष जी बोलते थे वो मत यूज़ करना, अब ये यूज़ करना, ये मत, ये लोग एंड तक करते रहे उसको. फाइनली 7 सॉन्ग्स जो हुए, फाइनल इन्होंने जो बोला, हमने एक उसकी फाइनल सीडी बनाई और इनको भेजा, भाई देख लो अभी ये सब करेक्ट है ना. देन ही अप्रूव्ड, दे बोथ अप्रूव्ड. एंड रहमान साहब को हमने कैसेट एंड सीडी दोनों भेजा था कि आप सुनो, जो आपने रिकॉर्ड किया है वो प्रोडक्शन क्वालिटी आया कि नहीं. He was very happy, and the rest is the history.
How beautiful. Thank you. It's so important to have, support coming in from the people who will take your music to the right places. And हम सबके घर पे वो CD आई थी, sir. So thank you for making that happen. Thank you so much, Ramesh ji, for joining
you.
us on the
Thank you.
stage.
Thank
कुमार जी से मैं request करना चाहूँगी.
मैं ये कहूँगा कि क्रिएशन एक अलग चीज़ है, एग्जीक्यूशन अलग है, और फिर उसको मार्केटिंग करना और उसको पब्लिक तक पहुंचाना, मेरे हिसाब से जो टिप्स हैं पूरी, दे आर सो म्यूजिक लवर फर्स्ट, एंड दे आर सो एप्ट अबाउट देयर मार्केटिंग पार्ट ऑफ इट. आई मस्ट से कि उन लोगों का बहुत बड़ा कंट्रीब्यूशन था ताल को और प्रदेश को और खलनायक को मार्केट करने में, एंड दे आर वंडरफुल. मैं पैसे ज़रूर मांगता था इनसे ये बात सही है इन्होंने, लेकिन क्या होता था मैं आपको बताता हूँ क्यों मांगता था. आज मैं राज बताता हूँ कि जब इन्होंने खलनायक में मुझे बहुत सा पैसा दे दिया, उम्मीद से बहुत ज़्यादा, मैंने ऐसे ना करने के लिए बोला, तो इन्होंने कहा डन. सो मैं भागा भागा नेक्स्ट डे लक्ष्मीकांत के घर गया. मेरे साहब एक जुल्म हो गया है, क्या होगा, मैं बहुत बुरी खबर है, और क्या ऐसा टिप्स हैव पेड मी सो मच मनी. बोले रियली? बोला हाँ. अब खलनायक पिक्चर जो थी वो थ्रिलर, इट वॉज थ्रिलर, क्राइम थ्रिलर में लव स्टोरी में बहुत फ़र्क होता है. मैंने बोला सर ये तो पैसा तो दे दिया है, अब निभाएंगे कैसे, उनको कमाना भी चाहिए, नहीं तो लगेगा सुभाष घई फ्रॉड है. एंड वी वर्क वेरी हार्ड फॉर खलनायक. And when they gave the maximum price for Tal, then I was more worried. But then I was also sure that they will get the return because of this genius man. He was paid minimum of his life in Tal.
Wow.
Correct.
Are we going to reveal
लेकिन मैं
numbers?
आपको
Let's not go there.
लेकिन
But I think everything's not money. We are celebrating here.
yes,
Money can never buy this.
Exactly.
But I want producers like that who pay extra, and then we feel
On
guilty and we
25th.
come up. I
25th
love you
year.
guys, and we're working with them again.
They will give us bonus for 25 years of cinema.
Yeah.
मिलेगा आपको, मिलेगा.
Ponin PS1, PS2 they produced, and I got a national award. Thank you again for that.
I
The-
must quickly
for the
take
music,
this to Kumarji because you know the film needs to start, guys. Kumarji, I'm going to take 1 minute of your time and tell me from a business point of view.
कुमार जी आप भी आइए प्लीज. आप शर्मा रहे हैं मगर आपको भी आना पड़ेगा.
Thank you. Kumar Taurani, ladies and gentlemen, please put your hands together. You knew that you had a winner when you heard the music?
जी जैसे अभी पैसे की बात चल रही थी ना तो ये सुभाष जी और रमेश करके आते थे. मैं हमेशा टेंशन में मैं होता था पीछे क्योंकि वसूली मुझे करनी पड़ती थी. बट टचवुड आज तक जब भी सुभाष जी से कोई काम किया है हमने हमेशा पॉजिटिव ही रहे हैं. और जब ताल का डैट ये तो घर पे सुन के आए थे, जब मेरे को इन्होंने डैट ला के दी थी, जब मैंने सुनी थी हमारी उस दिन शाम को, शायद आपको याद नहीं होगा, हमारी मीटिंग थी ऑडियंस में नीचे. हाँ तो मैंने सुभाष जी को बोला सुभाष जी प्राइस आपने बड़ी महंगी ली है लेकिन मुझे लगता है कि हम सेफ़ हो जाएंगे. मैंने रिलीज से पहले ही बोल दिया था कि हम सेफ़ हो जाएंगे एंड हम निकल जाएंगे. एंड टचवुड सब अच्छा रहा. और मैं आपको एक और बात बता दूं कि इनके रहमान के हमारे पास रंगीला ट्रैक भी हमारे पास ही है. रंगीला अब हिंदुस्तानी. एंड रिसेंटली एज ही सेड कि जब हमें मालूम पड़ा कि PS1 में मनी रत्नम एंड रहमान इज़ कमिंग टुगेदर अगेन, तो दैट वाज एन अपॉर्चुनिटी. हम सोच रहे थे कि हम तमिल में भी एंटर करें टिप्स वापस. पहले भी हम थे, पहले भी हमने मणिरत्नम और एक रहमान के साथ में जो पिक्चर थी हमने करी हुई थी. तो वी गॉट एन अपॉर्चुनिटी और हम जाके फर्स्ट मीटिंग में डील क्लोज कर गए थे प्रोड्यूसर के साथ. बट वो हाँ
क्या बात
तो
है.
वो भी है. तो रियली नाइस एक्सपीरियंस.
Thank you so much, Kumarji.
Finally, I would like to say a very important thing in this event. I'm sorry that I'm getting emotional about it. If anyone was the hero of Tal, was Anand Bakshi.
Yes, absolutely agree. Yeah.
And he's no more. And I remember that how fondly he was of me, and he was inspiring me all the time. Do good work, but justify on the screen also. So he used to say something when I used to make him hear the recorded song. सुभाष तू फंस गया. ऐसे क्या हुआ, ये इतना अच्छा गाना तू कैसे पिक्चराइज करेगा. So he used to give me challenge every time. How would you picturize? This is a beautiful song. Rahman has done so wonderful about it. And whatever you say, Tal, each line, each mukla, each dialogue is so apt to the story, situations, characterization. He was one of the best lyrics writer of his time, I would say. So we remember him. My all love to him.
And Rakesh is here representing him. Rakesh, would you please stand up and take a bow in front of this wonderful audience? Rakesh Anand Bakshi.
He is a son of Mr. Anand Bakshi and a constant, my constant friend. पहले बख्शी साहब थे, अभी उनका बेटा है. अभी इनका बेटा जो वो भी मेरा फ्रेंड होने वाला है थोड़ी देर में.
क्या बात है.
Another important person, Rehana ji,
Yes, my wife.
always made us feel at home. Thank you so much.
We would do this forever, guys, because I would never let them go, but we must because film dekhni hai na, guys. I want to tell you something amazing. This is perhaps the greatest news that is going to come to you right now, which is Tal is re-releasing in the theaters. आज देखिएगा ये film. Okay, I want you to go spread the word because Zee Cinemas and Mukta Arts are releasing Tal in cinemas in 2024 on the 27th of September.
Next week.
Next week, yani ki next Friday. So please, okay, make sure that you take everybody and go. For right now, yes, sir. Over
It's
to you.
releasing in more than 100 cinema halls all over India. Next week.
क्या बात है. Kabir Lal Sahab, I just want to take a moment to check. Is he in this? Is he in the room? Because he told me he'll be coming. I can't see him yet. Kabir Lal Sahab, if you're here, cinematography. When you watch the film today, you're going to see those frames that we'd never seen before. अब सब जाके मनाली शूट करते सर. पहली बार आप मुझे लेके गए थे. The beautiful north of India is so gorgeous. And then, of course, I just want to make sure, Sukhwinder Sahab, are you here anywhere with us? Because he also said that he would be coming. If he is not here in the house, we
He
really
is
want
out
to.
of town.
Yeah.
So he called me.
Sukwinder, Sivamani.
Yes.
Sivamani,
Sivamani sir
was
also.
a very important person.
Yes, absolutely. For all the percussion. There is a lovely piece of trivia, which is one of my favorites, which is this one, that when you hear Nahi Samne and you look at the CD, you'll see Hariharan. But, the Priyasi is sung by Sukhwinder.
Yes.
I can't get over that. Raman sir, would you ratify this for us?
Yeah, I think Sukwinder was there for at least 3-4 songs, and he would sing the rough track. So in this, we said we'll keep Sukhwinder's voice because it sounded beautiful. Yeah. And it was out of range for Hariji to go on. He was singing in a false voice, right?
And they kept it. And now it's not even credited, but you know this because you're here. And of course, Subhashji gave us that story. Before we, of course, wrap this and we have felicitations and everybody has to give prizes to everybody. है ना? कुछ तो लेके जाएंगे ना, आए हैं stage पे. कुछ तो कमाल का लेके जाएंगे. I want AK to close this for us, AK, because here you are 25 years later. You just appeared on Time Magazine's cover. So can we give that a round of applause? The show that you're doing just got nominated for an international Emmy. कैसे कर लेते हैं? I mean, I just want to ask you, through all of this, you still made time for Tal. That tells me something about Anil Kapoor, the man. Yeah? Thank you for that.
See, as Subhaji rightly said, it's not about the awards, it's not about this, cover or anything. That's not important. The important is you do work which resonates for, and the future generation or the, 25, after 25 years, 27 September, Tal is releasing. That's our biggest award. Am I right? In our cinema.
They're not going to let you go until you give them some Vikrant. So, what's your best Vikrant you're going to give us? Which line? Are you going to say na shadi, na dosti, na ishq, vishk? No. Which one are you going to say for us?
I'm very bad at these things. Subhaji, आप बोलेंगे तो फिर मैं आप repeat करूँगा. That's the way I used to do it, yeah.
मैं तो भूल गया.
अच्छा? मैं भी भूल चुका हूँ. But I can say that scene, it was a very long scene, and and there were two scenes which were very, very, very long. One was the climax, and the one was this scene. ये सीन तो मैंने कर ही लिया क्योंकि लास्ट मोमेंट पे हर चीज़ सुभाष जी की लास्ट मोमेंट पे मिलती है. मगर एक सीन जो तो क्लाइमैक्स का था, मैंने बोला ये मैं नहीं आऊँगा सेट पे. I said, I'm not going to come.
इसने फोन किया, मैं बीमार हूँ. मेरी शूटिंग चल रही थी.
मैं शूटिंग चल रहा.
नहीं
पहले रात को मैंने फोन किया, मैं नहीं आने वाला, आप सीन नहीं दे रहे मुझे. तो he knows me, as he said that he knows me so well. ठीक है, तू मत आ, मैं वेट कर रहा हूँ. So in the morning, I woke up and I said, I'm not going on the set. I told my wife, मैं नहीं जाने वाला. इतना लंबा सीन है और ये अभी लास्ट मोमेंट में देते हैं. I have to do my best. फिर 7 बजे 8 बजे आई कॉल्ड पद्मनी कोल्हापुरी हु डिड रेकी ऑन मी. Seriously, I was so stressed. I got so stressed and I was so anxious and nervous. I said, कैसे करूँगा मैं? Then she came, she did Reiki on me. And then he knew. I said, I'm not coming. So he thought, he knew me very well. पर एक बजे मैंने लगा कि सीन चेंज करके कहीं अक्षय खन्ना को नहीं देते या पूरा ऐश्वर्या पे रोज सीन कर दे. तो मैं 12, 12:30, 1 बजे पहुंच गया. He was very relaxed. He knew I was going to come. He was taking the shots, all the other shots. आ गया? अच्छा चलो करते हैं, अभी लंच करते हैं, बाद में टेक करते हैं. And we finished the scene in about how many hours? I think 2.5 or 3 hours we finished the scene, yeah. Yeah, 1.5 hours. Yeah,
That monologue is
monologue.
not easy.
Yeah,
One
yeah.
second. Have you guys, do you all remember the scene? He's in the car.
I said that's what Subhashji is. That, and that's the kind of rapport we had. And the trust I had with him that I would do it blindly.
Yeah.
And, you tell me, do like this, do like that, ऐसा emote कर. तो कभी कभी बहुत लाउड करता था मैं. बोले इतना ज़्यादा लाउड मत कर यार, बहुत ज़्यादा लाउड हो गया तो. अभी ज़्यादा सटल हो गया थोड़ा और ऐसे करते. So,
Of
that's the only, and I think we did that scene and that's the story.
I don't think Akshay Khanna got to dance with Aishwarya, but you did
I think thanks
in
to
Ramtha
I think
Jogi.
Kumar ji and Ramesh ji today have come to know कि बोले यार एक गाना डांस तो होना चाहिए.
Dance तो होना
And
चाहिए.
Subhash ji also wanted, I said तेरे को एक गाना तो दूंगा मैं. बोले सब गाना गा रहे हैं, सबके पास गाना है. I said but this character, how will you how can this character, he's a composer, he's a arranger, but Subhash ji being Subhash ji, he's a genius, absolutely. And he created that situation and he and did it. And Sarojji composed it at the last moment. Aishwarya was mesmerizing in that song. And the way she came, I don't think so there was much of rehearsals for that. And she just came and did it instinctively and spontaneously. And all the shots which you see, me coming down the steps and over there, and the first shot, I've just mimicked him. All the cap and everything, just capping it on. It's him, not me. It's him.
Oh man. She's not here today because she couldn't be here, but
Dance was done with him, but all the close-ups
Yes.
and all was Subhash.
but Aishwarya Rai, man. Thank you. Do you want to talk about her and Akshay because they're not
she
here? They
has
couldn't make it.
specially sent me a message. She has thanked Nasha, Radio Nasha, Tips, everyone. She's not well actually. She tried her best that she could come. She said that this is one of my very scoring film and very important film for me. And Subhashji, please give my love and thanks to everyone there. And I am equally missing this occasion. I wish I could be there. Let's give a big hand for her.
Absolutely. Mansi and Manav, we miss both of them, but you're going to watch them on the screen. For right now, I just want to say this is what Nasha Premier Nights is all about, making these memories. Also, I want to thank these legends for making time and saying हम आएंगे. तो आप आए यहाँ पर.
Thank you.
बहुत बहुत शुक्रिया. बहुत सारे लोग आपको बहुत सारी चीज़ें देना चाहते हैं. तो आप 5 मिनट मुझे दीजिए इस स्टेज पर. As I call upon wonderful people to felicitate our wonderful artists.
Let's start the film. Ta. Subhash Ghai and A. Rahman's Tal.